In this video, I want to talk about kind of unplugging your pores and getting rid of any blackheads, any skin congestion. I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite products that I use on a weekly basis to really get into those pores and clean them out and just get your skin glowing. You really want that glass glow. So I'm going to show you the products that I love and some of the tips and the advice that I can give you as a master esthetician of over 20 years on how you can really keep your pores clean and what ingredients you want to avoid and which ones are going to be your best friend. So let's get started. I am going to be showing you some products in this video, but none of these are sponsored, so these are all my personal opinion. The first big investment that I would say every master esthetician makes, and anyone that is a skincare enthusiast, is a steamer. Now this one is the Dr. Dennis Gross, and this one is a little bit more pricey than the ones that you can see on Amazon and in different retailers. But the reason why this one has a certain patent for a smaller molecule for the steam that comes out, and that's going to really penetrate deeper into your skin in that smaller molecule. So I'm going to show you. So the perfect time to use this is when you are cleansing your face. You can do this every day for a few minutes, or if you just want to dedicate 3 to 5 times a week, it's great for you to use this. You do have to use distilled water, and you just fill that up every time. Now I have this on. It's going to heat up and I'm going to start using this. You're going to hear this start to steam. So I like to put this on when I'm cleansing my face. If I have makeup on, I will do 2 cleanses. So a double cleanse, and this will be coming onto my face with steam. The benefits of steaming your face are to open your pores, and that is how you're going to get the hardened oil that is inside your pores. So blackheads and congestion is really just any environmental pollution and your oil that has hardened inside of your pore. So the ultimate goal is to clean out that hardened sebum or oil. So using a steamer is the first step in doing so after you've cleansed or during the cleanse. And this will enable other products to go deeper into your pores and really clean them out. The next product that I'm going to show you is by Be Plain. This is the Mung Bean Pore Clay Mask. I love this so much. So with this mask, you are going to concentrate this on the T-zone, and it only takes about 3 to 5 minutes for this to dry, and then you will just rinse this off. While we're waiting for this to dry, I almost forgot about one of my favorite tools that I use every single day in the shower. This is the Cosloose. This is like a little vibrational silicone tool that I just apply my face wash on. I think I have charged this once in months and months since I've had it, and I have absolutely loved how this cleans out my pores, and this cleans out, like, even this mask, I could go remove this once this dries, but it's just so quick. It's waterproof, so you can keep it in the shower. It's great. It's by Cosloose. If I have the link, I'll put it down below for you. So it actually, you can hear it, it vibrates and it has different speeds. There. I love it so much. Once it feels a little bit tight, it's ready to rinse it off. So let me go rinse this off and I'll be right back. And now my skin feels so smooth and clean after the Mung Bean Clay Mask. Another product that I also love is the Brightening Peeling Gel. This is by Dr. G. I'll show you the texture of this. It has like little beads in this, little granular beads, and they help to exfoliate the skin. I love the way that this mask rolls off any dead skin. Next, this is one of my favorite products when it comes to really cleaning out your pores. I was so shocked by this. This is April Skin. This is the Calendula Peel Off Mask. You can actually see the calendula in it. And what you do is you just apply this. You have to be really careful not to get this into your hair, or it's really hard to get out. Oh, dropping. So you will just spread this over. You'll avoid your eye area, and I just kind of keep that in the center of my face. And a little trick with this is to add a little bit of a lip because what's going to happen is it's going to dry and you're going to literally peel this off. So you kind of need a little bit of a lip to grab it. Just make sure that it's all connected so that it's really easy to peel off. It's a lot easier if it's connected. This one takes a little bit longer. This one takes up to 20 minutes to dry. So I'm going to speed up the process by using a little fan, and then I will show you what it looks like when I peel this off. And you will see all of the gunk coming out of my pores with this. It's such a cool mask. And while I'm waiting for this to dry, I also want to share one of my favorite cleansers that I use, especially when it's to do with getting rid of blackheads. This is a cleansing oil and it has azelaic acid. So this has the AHA and BHAs, and that is just really great for cleaning out your pores. What I love about this is when I have a ton of makeup on, I will go straight in without any water and I will use this as an oil cleanser and it will break up all of my makeup. I can even use this on my mascara and my eye makeup, and then I will just add some water and then I will just continue to cleanse and it will come off, and I'll do 2 cleanses. But this is really great for cleaning out your pores. So if I can find the link for this one as well, I will put it down below. This is by VT Cosmetics. And then for skincare, I have been using Point of View lately. I've really been loving this because it doesn't have fragrance, it doesn't have any paraffin, sulfates, it's harsh chemical free, and I just feel like it really hydrates my skin, and I love how it makes my pores feel. So the first step is the Point of View Soothing Priming Milk. I was using this with a cotton pad, but I honestly think that this is great to just put on your hands and just massage onto your skin because it is a calming milk. Using the proper skincare is so important if we are talking about keeping your pores clean, because basically if you're not using an adequate moisturizer and toner and different face wash, then your pores and your skin are just trying to overcompensate by creating more oil. So if you're using something that's more stripping, has fragrance, it foams, any cleanser that foams is a big red flag. So don't use anything that has a foaming agent because that's just going to strip your natural oils. So you really want to stick to products that are more natural. They have no fragrance, no dyes, no parabens, no sulfates, and of course harsh chemical free. So the brands that I'm all using here today are really wonderful for that, and you're really going to feel a difference in your skin. Give your skin a couple weeks to adjust if you're getting new products and you're removing different products. There are a lot of drugstore products that I don't recommend, so if you have any that you're using, leave a comment below. I'm happy to give you my Master Aesthetic opinion on those brands. But the brands that I'm using here, I have read through the ingredients, I've used them for months and months on my own, so I'm recommending products that I really love, that I've been using. Next on the Point of View that I have here is Drip It. So this is a nourishing glow serum, and I'm just going to put this over my skin as well. A good rule of thumb, if your skin doesn't feel dewy and hydrated 5 minutes after you've applied your skincare, then you do not have enough moisture in your products. Always take your skincare onto your neck as well. And next from the Point of View, I have Whip It. This is a wonderful whipped moisturizer, as you can see. I have been loving this one, and I even go right under my eyes with this one. I also have their lip balm here, which I really love. Now, after your skincare is on, there are a few products that I want to talk about that are really important. So if you are going the makeup route, you want to make sure that you are using a primer underneath your foundation, and this is really going to help prevent blackheads and clogged pores. And the reason why is because most primers are silicone based. They are a larger molecule, which means they are not going to get down into your pores. It's actually going to create a barrier so your foundation doesn't soak into your pores and into your skin. And that's how you get that beautiful clean canvas. That's how primers are able to create that smooth look with your foundation. So using a primer, these are two that I really love. You either have Milani No Pore Zone, or of course Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. These are both really great, and they actually have really great ingredients as well. This one is enhanced with lily and bamboo extracts, and this one has like niacin and some skincare in it. So they're both really great primers if you are trying to go the makeup route. Now, if you are using makeup, I recommend that you have something that has SPF in it. If it doesn't, I recommend the Innisfree. I love this Daily UV Defense Sunscreen. This is SPF 36. I really love the way this looks, but if you want your pores to look beautiful and flawless, then you need to incorporate a sunscreen in your routine. I'm going to show you what this looks like. What I really like about, I might be almost out of this one. What I really love about this one is that it's on the more natural side. No white cast. It has green tea, sunflower seed oil, and it protects against UVA and UVBs. And you'll see how this will just blend right in and look beautiful. It just looks like an additional layer to my skincare. I can even layer this underneath my makeup. I really love this sunscreen for all year round, but it's really great in the summertime as well. Now, throughout the day, you might feel like your skin is getting a little dry, or it just needs a little bit of a pick-me-up, a refresher. I do have the Glow Mist by JLo that I've been using, and this one is it comes in different sizes. This is the smaller one. I love this because it's a little travel size, but this you'll just go right, even if you have makeup on, you can spray this right over your makeup. But this is just really great because it hydrates and it re-energizes your skin. And there you have it. That is my Master Esthetician approved skincare routine. All of these products that I love so much. If I have the links for these, I will put those down in the description box for you. But if there's anything that you have more questions about, just leave a comment below. I'm always here and happy to help. But look how glowy and beautiful my skin looks after this routine. I really swear by these products and these techniques that I have. So if you want to give this a try, please come back and let me know how this goes for you. If you do this routine 2 to 3, maybe 4 times a week, you are really going to see results and your skin is definitely going to love you. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'm always sharing beauty, skincare, and health tips on this channel, and I'm happy to have you as a part of my family. So I will see you in my next video, and until then, have a wonderful day. Take care.